day everyone, and welcome to Data Line Analytics tutorial. If you're new to our page, you can press the subscribe button so as to get updates on every tutorial we release each week. And if you have always been part of us, you can relax and watch this as you learn more. This tutorial will be focused on a practical example of how to use a slicer interaction for analysis. So this is a sales dashboard I did for a client according to its need, and I have sales by month, the top 5 most valuable customer, the sales by category, and the sales by region. And here I have the slicers so as to interact with this dashboard now to get more insight for analysis. So after delivering this dashboard to my client, he called me back the second day and said he's having issue using the slicers with the dashboard. So I was like, what's happening? So he explained the issue he's having with the dashboard to me, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So if I'm to click on this year 2014, okay, I think this one is perfect. Let me uncheck it. Then if I'm to click on the central region, so I'll click on this. You see what I'm having now? I'm only having central region. Look at what I had earlier. I had the 4 here. Now when I click on it, it will reduce it to 1. It does not actually make a lot of sense. So also moving to the quarter, look at how the quarter is going to interact with the sales by month. So if I click on the quarter 1, I'm having this, and if I uncheck it, this is what I have from quarter 1 to from January to March is quarter 1. So it is there already, so there is no need for this slicer to interact with this. I can see it even without clicking on the slicer. And also if I click on the category to analyze, if I click on furniture, look at how it interacted with the sales by category. It only showing me just one category, and even without me clicking on it, I can see the category. So there is no need for this slicer to interact with this visual. So that's the issue I'm having. I'm having issue with the region slicer interacting with the sales by region, having issue with the quarter slicer interacting with the sales by month, then finally having issues with the category slicer interacting with the sales by category. So I want to uncheck. I don't want the slicers to interact with these visuals. So how do I go about it? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about this if you're having any issue like this. So basically what I want to do is that in case you're having multiple slicers on your dashboard and you want each slicer to interact with a particular set of visual and not all the visuals on the dashboard, I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay, the first one we want to do is to make sure this region slicer does not interact with the sales by region over here. So how do we do that? The first thing you have to do is to go to your format tab here. Click on your format tab. When you click on it, you are going to see edit interaction here. This is where you do all the magic. So you click on edit interaction. When you click on edit interaction, you notice changes, right? Okay, let's uncheck it. Just click on it again. Notice these pop-ups here on each slicer. That is what we are going to use to provide our solution. So starting with the region slicer now, click on this region slicer. Then if you don't want this region slicer to interact with the sales by region, what you just have to do is to click on this icon over here, this circle icon which says none. Click on it. When you click on it, so let's test what we did. So click on central region now. You see it's affecting the other visuals, but right now it's not affecting the sales by region. So that's what we want to achieve. So if you want to also do that same thing for this quarter slicer, you don't want this quarter slicer to interact with the sales by month, what you just have to do is to click on this quarter slicer, then move up, the same thing we did over there. Click on this circle, then none, click on it. Then again we're going to do the same thing to the category slicer. Click on the category slicer. you don't want this category slicer to interact with the sales by category, then you click on the circle which says none. Then uncheck edit interaction, then go to your home tab back. So let's see what we have done. So okay, the 2014, we want to see here for 2040 the southern region. Let's see what is happening. So we want to see the first quarter. We want to see what is happening in the first quarter in the furniture category. See, everything is perfect now. So that's how to use your slicer interaction. That's how to edit your slicer interaction in case you're having multiple slicers in your dashboard and you don't want each slicer to interact with all the visuals on the dashboard. This is how you do it. If you find this tutorial useful and educative, you can please click on the like button, and also if you're a new user, click on the subscribe button to get more tutorials from us, as we are going to be dropping tutorials every Saturdays. Thank you for your time.